Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing, or I guess I should say unenveloping, Keycap of the Month number 3 from the Metal Artisan Keycap series that Stupid Bullets Tech has been doing. This one is UwU Kitty. Like I said, it's number 3. Let's take a look here at the product page. While we're looking at this product page, be sure to hit that like and subscribe so you can be notified of any future content. As you can see, it was available in black or gray. I only copped the black one because I waited too long and that was all I was able to get. So without any further ado, let's get into this. Let's take a look at what we've got here. Well, that didn't work too well. All of the Artisan Keycaps from the Metal Artisan Keycaps from the Keycap of the Month that I have gotten so far have all been good quality. I've been very impressed with them. Let me get that out of here so you guys don't know where I get my mail delivered. I guess it doesn't matter. I don't live there. We got Starburst. We got a thank you written on the Starburst. Nope, thank you, Stupid Bullets. And I apologize for taking so long to make this unboxing video. I've had this for about 3 months that it's been sitting in my pile of things to do. I can't remember if I did say or not, but this was $29.50. I don't remember what shipping was on it, as I do not have the invoice for it. For some reason, I can't find it. I may have purchased it with a different email than normal. And let's see what this looks like. All right, looks good. It has the same profile of all of the previous Metal Artisan Keycaps of the month. It's got the little kitten, it says UwU. I guess, I don't know, is it a kitten, full-grown cat? I don't know. It's an anime style cat. Look, we can look here at the bottom and see that it has the light just not wanting to work with me, but as you can see, it fits an MX style keycap. Let me move it down a little bit. Oh gosh, the downside to black, I can't get the cross. There you go. So as you can see, it'll fit an MX style keycap. Should fit just about any standard MX or MX style keycap that you have. Shouldn't have any problems fitting it on your board. I have to say, I'm impressed. It's another quality keycap of the month from Stupid Bullets Tech. I think these are well worth it at $30 for a metal artisan. I mean, you know, finding an artisan for $30, let alone a metal one, not an easy task, but Stupid Bullets manages to pull it off time and time again. I believe he also shares the revenue with his artist, so, you know, you're supporting the artist as well. Of course, these are limited time, and I know that there was a bit of a blip there where he wasn't producing them, so don't know how often he's going to be making them available. I believe he wants to make them monthly, but I think due to production stuff going on right now in the world with shortages and COVID, he can only produce them so often. So hopefully at some point we'll start seeing one every month. We've got the other one, should be shipping before too long. I've got the number 4, should be on the way at some point, so come back. I'll be doing an unboxing video when that one arrives. That one is a tiger themed one for the year of the tiger, which 2022 by the lunar calendar is the year of the tiger. I like this keycap. I've got to figure out what I'm going to put it on, but I think it's cute. And if you managed to get one, let me know down below what you think of it. If you didn't manage to get one and you're living vicariously through this video, there we go, let me know what you think of the keycap as well. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day, a great rest of your week, and a fantastic 2022. I appreciate you being here. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See ya.